remember that night when we were freezing cold protesting against Sean Kane? Well, I'm burning hot right now. I'm not freezing cold. I'm hot mad. We need to remember two things about Sean Kane. Not only is he our senator who has failed us, but he is an attorney, and he has taken an oath to think of the rights for everybody. His office is upstairs. My office is across the street. He spoke to me for a half hour about the reasons why he would not vote for this. Shame on Sean as a senator and as an attorney. I want to tell you one of the things that motivates me more than anything else, besides the love for my civil union partner, unfortunately not yet my husband, John, but these children in front of me. As your Board of Education member in Asbury Park, nothing makes me happier than the future. And seeing these 7 children in front of me right now, come on up here, each and every one of you, and give them a hand. These are the people that motivate me. You all should applaud yourselves and thank yourselves and be happy and congratulate each other for being here. This is the reason we're also doing this, so they don't have to do this someday.
Thanks,
Thank you all.